Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, because I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for trusting me with your time. It means more to me than you know. These are very conversational videos, all stuff and no fluff. So check out the description below and look at the comment section and see the updated data points, people's opinions, thoughts, questions, and add to the conversation today. So welcome, glad to have you. Smash that like button for me. And for all of you radical marketers out there, subscribe to the channel. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. You guys are blowing up the channel. So if you guys can keep liking and commenting right now, that would be great. So that way the YouTube keeps pushing it out. Anyways, guys, today we're going to talk about the US Bank Simple Quick Loan. A lot of you guys have liked some of these no credit check loans that I've been doing. Some of you guys have been asking for more of that. And so I'm here to bring you the data points on the quick loan so you guys can get that without a credit check. And then I'm here to also speak on a couple other things that you may want to know about US Bank. Okay, before we get into this, you're gonna have to need a US Bank checking account and savings account. So this isn't something that you can just go apply for if you don't have a banking relationship with US Bank. US Bank is a very relationship bank, and they're big on relationship banking, and they don't give much up front, but then they start making you more happy the longer you're with them. I've been a US Bank member for just over a year now. I signed up, I think, last August of 2020. I got a credit card with them, the Platinum card, in October, which I hate. Okay, they give pretty much everybody a $2,000 opening limit, no matter if they have perfect credit or not. Maybe I should have done more banking with them before I applied for the card. That could have been just kind of built up the internal data points. But I thought from August to October that was pretty good, especially with direct deposit. They didn't think so. But I say all that to say this: I was looking to try to get another credit card with them on the business side, and then I saw the personal lines of credit, and I applied, and I got approved with stated income. So you guys can check out that video. It's in the playlist as well, and we'll talk about that as well. But my whole thing is with US Bank, it's a love-hate relationship. The longer you're with them, probably the more they're going to give you. So let's just jump right into their loan products. It's going to be right here, the US Bank Simple Loan. I'll put the link in the description. Borrow $100 to $1,000. Need quick funds for an emergency. Our Simple Loan is a one-way. US Bank checking customers who qualify to borrow up to $1,000 for planned or unplanned expenses. Very similar to the DCU loan. You're just going to have to be a member with them. We'll go into the pre-qualifications of that. And then also, if you do this, you might as well also think of two other things: the reserve line of credit or the personal line of credit. The reserve line of credit is basically an overdraft protection in case you ever overextend yourself and have some expenses up to $3,000, I believe. It is a hard pull from TransUnion. Or you can do what I did, which is the personal line of credit, and that's up to $25,000 stated income, pulls from TransUnion as well. And you guys can watch my video on that where I discuss all the data points. But let's just jump right into the US Bank Simple Loan. Okay, it's a real-time decision and funding within minutes, so that's cool. Let's go over the pre-qualification for this. The Simple Loan is a quick and convenient way for US Bank checking customers to borrow up to $1,000, $1,000 maximum, to take care of planned or unplanned expenses. Here we go. You're going to need, here's how the Simple Loan works. You can borrow from up to $1,000 in $100 increments, no late fees or prepayment fees. Repay the loan in 3 monthly payments. So you have 3 months to repay the loan. You can get up to $1,000 and apply online and get the funds. So here's also, they kind of break down how the calculations work. These are not going to be low interest loans whatsoever, but the fact that you don't have to have a hard credit check, all money isn't good money, but for every $100 that you borrow, you're going to pay a $6 fee. So if you borrow $400, your fee is going to be $24. That's how basically it works. You have to have a social security number. You must have 3 months of reoccurring direct deposits into a US Bank checking account. Okay, and you have to have your account open for a minimum of 6 months. That's basically what you need to have for the quick loan, simple loan with US Bank. Now, US Bank, like I said, they have a lot of lending products. A lot of their credit cards are all going to pull from TransUnion. I've heard that their business cards pull from Experian. Comment in the section. Comment if you've had any experience with US Bank. What did you get? What did you not get? But I love the personal line of credit. Let me kind of go into that real quick so you can see. The personal line of credit, well, that's an overdraft line of credit, no annual fee. Personal line of credit, up to $25,000, no collateral required. Pretty low interest rate on it, simple interest. Definitely recommend this if you guys can get this, okay? Because I don't know how long they're going to keep this stated income for with this type of economy. I've never had a personal line of credit with stated income. And the simple loan as well is stated income, and there's no credit check on the simple loan. And then the overdraft protection, I don't recommend. I mean, if you're gonna get a hard pull, why do the overdraft line of protection? Get the personal line of credit, and then later on, if you really want the overdraft protection, you can do that. But that's just my 2 cents on US Bank. The other thing that I would highly caution you guys on, right, is if once you guys are in the door. I know I'm going a little bit extra here above and beyond for you guys because I like to drop the gems. Once you get like this, I'm big on the 0%. This platinum card, don't fall for this. Okay, I'll be completely honest. Focus on your banking relationship. If you get this card, it looks great. 20 billing cycles, 0% on balance transfers, and 0 APR. But everybody I'm seeing is getting like $2,200. What can you really do with that? I have an entire video about watch this before you apply for that card. So as much as I like that US Bank is doing some stated income, their credit limits are garbage, and I've only had one credit limit increase. They've done it automatically, but if you apply for it, they're going to hard pull your TransUnion. So in my opinion, if you get this card and you use it, actually use it to get some data points, and then go get the personal line of credit with US Bank, okay? Because it's going to make more sense for you to get a personal line of credit where you can always liquidate that line of credit versus dealing with the cumbersome ways of getting cash off credit cards. And I talk about that on my channel. You guys can do that. But the simple loan is cool too. I mean, $1,000 when you need $1,000, that can help with a lot of things. And just having a banking relationship for 6 months and being able to have a no credit check loan is pretty stinking cool. All right, guys. Well, that's what I got to say about the no credit check loan with US Bank. Go get the personal line of credit if you guys have US Bank before they take that away. And then like, comment, subscribe, and join the private Facebook group. Join me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Send me a message. Let me know how you like the channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Appreciate you guys so much. Drop your comments about US Bank. Take care. Peace.